Hey viewer, it's an elliptical shape we are going to create here. I have taken that one, the radical in the center of it. So let's generate the further and make some different shapes with it. So here we are. Let's make more designs as well. So using these designs can create different one. Make some more shapes as well. So let's keep on editing.